give you two quick examples of creators that does this that I'm about to explain to you now. This is Jade Damawa and Justin Brown. Jade Damawa often remix popular YouTube advice into her own personal Gen Z version. Same chord tips, but different energy and different voice. Justin Brown, he takes questions already answered by big channels and explain them with more clarity, visuals, and better passing. Boom, his video rank higher. These are top creators with thousands and millions of subscribers. You that are just starting, you have to take advantage of this to grow your channel. Let's dive into it. You want to grow your channel, you are stuck with what content to make. You don't need to start from zero. You can actually use other people's content to grow your channel very fast, ethically and creatively, to inspire and restructure your own. This is not stealing. This is smart strategy top YouTubers use every day. I'm going to break it all down. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to teach you how to research, remix, and repackage other people's video while making it 100% yours. Now, let's first understand why this strategy works. YouTube algorithm pushes content that is already proven to get click, watch time. So while sticking around thinking of what to create, all you need to do is to use what is already proven to get view and make it your starting point. Think of it this way: you don't need to reinvent a new recipe. All you need to do is to take a proven one, add your own flavor. The key is to observe, adapt, and elevate. Note, this is not copying someone's video word for word. It's taking what is already proven to get view and turning it 100%. But you can absolutely use someone's titles format, their topic, even their content style to build your own version of the video. This is the most basic and powerful strategy. Watch the high performing video in your niche. Study their structure, the format, the passing, the flow. How did they hook the viewers in the first 15 seconds of their videos? What are the 3 to 5 main steps they cover? How did they end the video? Don't copy their word. Instead, copy their structure to your own. Example, if the YouTuber's title is 3 big mistakes I made, you can change your own title is a 3 big mistakes I made while starting my YouTube channel. If you look at this title, it's different title but the same flow. You are not copying them, you are modeling what works. The second step is to remix trending content, especially for short and reel. This is where you take existing idea and give it your own spin. Example, see a viral tip, react to it, or add your own take. You are using the idea as a starting point and adding your own voice, your experience, your styles that make it work. The best creators remix what's already work. They don't reinvent the wheel in every single video. Watch a successful tutorial explaining the same concept using your own story or your own language. Find a motivational clip, turn it into a relatable, local, or cultural version. You are using the idea as starting point. This is a game changer. Use one idea, turn it into 3 different formats. This multiply your output without burning you out. Turn a long form video into a series of short or TikTok. Take a trending short, expand into a YouTube long form video. Turn a podcast clip into YouTube visual explainer. Let's say you see a video, how I got my 1,000 subscribers. You can turn yours into a short clip. Or you see a short that say how I got my 1,000 subscribers. You can turn it into a YouTube form video. With this, you have separated the whole thing. It's no longer the same video, but the same format, the same flow. That same idea turned into a full week content inspired by what is already working. Let's say you watch a YouTube video called how I got my 1,000 subscribers within 30 days. Instead of you just watching, you can make your own version. You can divide it: a short, 3 tips that helped me get my 1,000 subscribers. A full video, step-by-step strategy that I used to hit my 1,000 subscribers. Live answering question about how you hit your 1,000 subscribers. You want to find content to model? Use YouTube search autocomplete, TubeBuddy's keyword explorer, Google Trend, or just go to YouTube and type your niche. Then the first 5 videos that pop up from that niche, you go through it. That is the videos you ought to pick to model. Look, you don't have to copy and grow. You have to study what was and remix it, and remix with your own twist. Please stay consistent, post consistently. Look out for videos that are outlayings. Outlaying videos are videos that has more view than the subscribers the person have. Let's say the person have 10,000 subscribers and this video got about 400,000 views. These are outlaying videos. So you pick these ones and you go and study it, remodel it. What this shows is that that video has been proven. You are going to work on the title of that video. You're going to work on the format of that video's thumbnail. You're going to work on how the person presented the video. The first 15 seconds of that video, how did the person present it? At the step by step of that video, how did the person present it? The end of that video, how did the person end the video? These are the things you have to cross check. You study. Mind you, I said don't copy and paste. I said remix what works. What is already working is what you should look out for and work on it. You don't need to stress yourself to look for content to create. All you need to do is to look for what is already working and hook to it. And if you want me to make videos on how you can remix your shot, or you want me to make video on how you can use TubeBuddy to create a good titles for your videos, just say it at the comment section. Value on what we are doing here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this channel a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment at the comment section. See you in my next video.